Django plus Unicorn plus Nginx, bad request, 400, in debug equals true. I'm trying to run my server with Django, Nginx and Unicorn. On the development server, everything went fine. But on the production server, Unicorn always returns a bad request, 400. I'm aware that I need to set my allowed_hosts variable, and I did. I tried the correct domain, an asterisk, or even setting debug to true. But still, it's always bad request, 400. Here is my Nginx config. My usb_prod.py file. The settings_prod.py file, shortened. I start Unicorn the following way, with virtualenv. When I start the server with manage.py run server settings equals app.settings_prod, the site is accessible. Unicorn's error log shows nothing, and the access log only shows the 400. The static content does work.
You should tell Nginx to pass the host to Gunicorn like this. Additionally, I would pass these values, example, also so you have access to the IP of the request. Please also check your Nginx logs if you haven't done so. I hope this helps. Edit. Try also to set server name like. Last but not least, try to set your environment like this, solution in this case.
This fixed it for me.